Travel the world wide with Moonshine. Moonshine, I'm from California, but I'm currently living temporarily in Texas, in a beautiful, luxurious city. It has art, natural forests, rivers, one of the surrounding rivers. There are luxury hotels, restaurants, clubs, and dance halls. A financial center, a concert arena, 2 golf clubs, exclusive places to live, mega mansions, 2 shopping malls, 2 libraries. It's a young city founded 50 years ago. I like it, it's beautiful, but I still miss California. I love you, USA.